Hi everyone, in this video I will make cute toy houses, and to make them extra cute I will color the roof. You actually don't need real dimensions because you can make big houses, small houses, tall houses. It depends on what you like. Plane your stock smooth on the planer and then you can cut the roofs on the miter saw. For the roofs you can cut all different miters. Sand the houses smooth. As you can see, you can use all different sanders to do this. Or just sand by hand, that's also an option. Round off all the sharp edges so the children can't hurt themselves. And now you can color the roof. I'm using Rubio Monocoat oil to do this. It's an easy product to use. Just apply it, let it sit for around 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then wipe off the excess. And they have beautiful different colors. I mean, they have a lot of colors to choose from. And also some poppy colors like this color, Poppy. From the coloring back to the workshop to sand away some oil marks. And now we can finish the rest of the houses with Rubio's Monocoat Pure Oil. Hi, thanks for watching this video until the end. Did you like it? Please give it a thumbs up. I know it was a short project, but more projects to come in the future, and a lot of them will be with Rubio Monocoat's oil because I love all the colors. They have so many beautiful colors and you can still see the grain through the oil because it's an oil and not a paint, and that's what I like so much. And I'll see you in my next videos. Bye!